welcome back to Simply Emmy Vlogs. Today we are going to do a product review and unboxing. As you see this is an air fryer, one of the most trending appliances right now. And this one is a gift from Gia. Shout out to Gia. Thank you so much for this very useful gift that you gave us. I've been looking for this one for a while, but I didn't know which one to get. This particular product that Gia gave us is made by Insignia. So guys, as I have mentioned, this is an air fryer where you can cook food in a healthier way. You can fry without an oil. So not only that, this one is also can be used for roasting, baking, and yes, fry. Okay guys, let's open it up.
I really love the design of it, and the combination of black and silver is really awesome. The exterior of the product is shiny and smooth. It has a futuristic vibe on it.
Look guys, it is huge. And it has a capacity of 5 liters. The manual is included, which is written in English and French. So guys, this air fryer is digital. You can fit the whole chicken on it. Let's try it on. Here's a basket. There you go. And snap and put it back. Let's start using it.
Before using it for cooking, I make sure to wash the basket with soap and warm water. See guys, we can make our french fries here for about 9 to 16 minutes. The bacon for minimum of 6 minutes. And also, we can bake chicken here for about 18 to 22 minutes. Also some steak for 12 minutes. And we can also bake cakes, muffins, other breads and pastries. You see here on the digital display where you can adjust the temperature and the timer. The temperature is on the right hand side and the timer is on the left hand side with the positive and minus sign adjustment. Okay guys, now let's start making some french fries. Next, we're gonna make some bacon. We are done cooking, guys, and everything looks good. Well, I love and recommend to you guys this Insignia air fryer. There are also different sizes based on your preference. So what do you think, guys? Please leave your comment or suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Goodbye.